All right, you welcome back. Talk. Nice today. Nice to the watch and Ontop Wazobia TV. Yes, old school day, naim today. Very, very soon we go to launch our old school video. I know say everybody always wait for our old school video. Today yes. Go actually tutorial you well. But before we actually play our old school video, I just want to ask another question. Now something where be the trend online where they do some kind of research. Some ladies come outside talk say they like them. Some come outside talk say they don't like them. About side chick of a thing. Okay. Some ladies come outside talk say they prefer to be side chick than main chick. Okay. Why some come outside talk say no. I prefer to be main chick than side chick. We need to put our mouth inside. Side chick, main chick. What do you think about that?
Definition of side chick and main chick.
Excuse me.
Okay, I'll give you definition. Main chick na the real girlfriend where everybody know I'm with. Side chick una see when una see.
It's just by the side. Don't expect me to see you 24/7.
We see when we see. We call when we need to call. Which one you prefer?
I see. Why you not call look me?
Now you ask question. Ask question. I will define.
Maybe you ask for definition.
That's how you.
For me,
because I ask for definition.
All this side chick, main chick. I prefer to be the only chick.
Okay.
Because I don't understand definition. Because you feel be main chick, and at the end of the day, you feel still get demotion to side chick. If you be side chick, if you get double promotion to main chick. I prefer to be the only chick because I don't know if they find up and down. If you get me, what's in the find?
Okay,
really? What are you looking for?
I guarantee you, I like what you talk. I appreciate them. I love them. You are hot. You are sexy.
Leave it like that.
Big,
give your opinion. Don't talk
like that. But listen to me, girlfriend. You think say you're hot, you want to be alone. And the guy hangs out, he has friends. Girls, they will be saying, and then they toast guys now.
We know.
She go toast the guy go forget your phone number. You just hold your phone, collect him phone, say, babe, call my number. 0 7. Oh no, you know I have plenty numbers in my head now. You know your number again, go call the girl number. So you be main chick, you be side chick, play your card well, and wherever you belong, you shall be there. Because at first place, if you know first be main chick, and you know be side chick because they're many.
Answer questions sometimes.
No.
I say which one you prefer. They don't say which one they actually.
Nobody no go tell you say no go want be alone. But with the men these days, go tell you say you be the one and only. In short, when you they come, they are that smart. When you they come in place, it go change in screensaver to your picture.
People where they do that one.
Do you understand? As you go finish, it go change down to the one where you want. So why worry? Side chick, main chick, just be a chick.
Just be a chick.
Just be a chick. Just be a chick. We see when we see. We talk when we talk. Good. Don't put extra. My own be say, you know the problem. Let's be honest here now. Mike, bring and down. I know the joke.
So you know say the joke since.
The thing be say, any relationship where you won't go to, no expect too much. When you go expect too much, you go disappoint yourself. Oh, he's going to be my this, he's going to come by 4. Maybe they always come by 4 o'clock. Put down for your mark. Sometimes he go come by 11 in the night. And you go got to sacrifice you yourself to wake up, see him. Not to say, no, he normally come by 4. Why are you coming by 11 to that? I need to sleep, I need to go to work. Yeah, you need to go to work, but you need to sacrifice more time for him. Those things now go make you become the main chick. All about sacrifice. Nobody talks a relationship first day easy. But you must give in at least 50% of your own sacrifice for the guy to meet you halfway. We understand, say you get some girls where no go even put in 0. The guys too, some no go put in 1/4. But I tell you, out of 10 men where you go don't meet, if you reflect back, say, okay, I don't break up with this, I don't break up, or 3 guys, if you look up, check the power or strength where you don't put into that relationship, you go see say you yourself get your own faults.
So are we supporting side chick here?
No, wait, Auntie.
I am not. No. I'm not supporting side chick. I'm saying everybody wants to be a main chick. You understand? Everybody wants to become the number one.
But you are missing the point. Not everybody from that research wants to be a main chick. Some people decide that
I want to be a side chick when I know it's all about the.
Queen B, you know how you pass the exam?
No, I try to explain to you.
You get this particular test online about knowing if your partner, that side chick, whether you na side chick to your partner or not. Who want to take this test now?
Me.
You want to take it? All right. Number 1, ladies and gentlemen, the test goes to Betty Anna now.
Because they said
I'm going to answer this question. You got the answer. Number 1, your age. Under 18 years, 18 to 24, 25 to 30, 31 to 40, or 41 to 50?
18 to 24.
Okay. Number 2, waiting be your gender, you're a female.
Wetin be
Number
my-
3,
Okay, gender.
does he text you every day?
What kind of test?
Text message.
Oh, oh yes.
Every day.
Every second.
Not lie, please.
I know they lie now.
Bring one. Yeah, the lie. Bring your phone, make I check.
Okay.
How many
My
minutes?
phone dead now, but you know say we dey
wait
ping.
now.
No ping in
No,
the
no
text
worry,
now.
make we just
We dey
ask.
talk on the go.
Does he spend time with you?
Yes.
Okay, make I ask you all those questions. Make I give you the option with the under arm.
Okay.
Number 1, every day.
Okay.
Number 2, does work stroke school count? Number 3,
Does what?
yes, work. Maybe
Okay.
they work all the time, so.
Okay.
Number 3, yes, and we have a blast. Number 4, yes, but it's not fun. Number 5, no. Number 6, only in my dreams.
Ah.
Shay.
Yes, and we have a blast.
But Anna is lying.
I know they lie.
Let them go on now. We go
Okay.
on. I carve my
Is he
questions
always
for her.
busy?
Sometimes. Not always.
Beautiful. I don't put sometimes.
Shouting at sometimes.
Does he
Calm
say
down,
yes?
calm.
Does he say he loves and miss you?
All the time.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Is he always lying?
He has never lied to me. I don't say no lie. He has
How
never
long
lied
does
to
it
me.
take for him to reply your text? Days, hours, 45 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, right away?
Sometimes
Hey.
if you be right away, sometimes we take 2 hours, sometimes 5 hours.
So let me put
it dey
hours.
vary.
All right. Is he married or dating someone else?
None that I know of.
So I'm going to click, I don't think so.
Wetin be the option? No, they
Wait,
click
no.
on my behalf.
Okay.
No.
The
Wait,
option
now they
number 1
calculate
are
this thing.
yes, and they are happy. Number 2, yes, but they are not happy. Number 3, I don't think so.
I
And
don't
number
think
4,
so.
no.
I don't think.
Does
I
he
don't
tell
think so.
you how he feels a lot about you?
Yes.
Okay. Number 11, is he gone for lots of hours without contact? Saying they go lots of
But
hours,
then I
say
don't
they
know
call
you
you for
started
phone.
as a.
Say wetin?
If they go plenty hours without saying call you for phone or in test you?
No.
No.
At least morning and night we dey talk.
Okay, about how many times now they hang out every 2 weeks? 1, every
Weekends.
day. 2, 5 days, 5 times. Number 3, 4 times. And number 4, 1 to 3 times.
4
3
times.
times.
4 times because it's weekends, you said.
Weekends.
So 4
So,
times.
Betiana, what do you think say your result could be?
I no, no be you dey calculate am.
Okay, you are not a side chick.
Obviously. Without the answer, we should just give you all the positive answers.
You got 78%. You are not a side chick.
Wait, sir, good. Happy for you. Congratulations.
But why I can't on subject of discussion all of a sudden?
No, we use you for tests.
Okay,
Not
ask
like
me.
you are
Ask
the real.
me, Queen Bee.
No.
Ask me.
Okay, actually, not be say Betiana be the person, but we just use and do research in case so that you go know where you fall in. These are things you need to know before you know whether you are a naim chick
Or a side chick.
All right, Betiana, it gets this the third question, I beg. You fit talk again.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Wahala,
The third question
you
says,
dey fine.
does he test you every day?
Does he text you every day?
I tell you, we dey on top BlackBerry, and BlackBerry now on the go.
Okay, what kind of job does he do?
Na programmer.
Programmer. So he no go get time for him work. He go day they follow you. They
No,
chat.
no, don't
Ah.
concern you.
Because we dey live in imaginary world.
Not be imaginary
Listen,
world. We
no,
dey
yeah.
talk. We dey talk on the go.
On
We
the go.
yes now. I
Yeah.
feel ping may no answer me for a while, but
Okay.
not mean say he go work. Of course, you dey work. When you finish this show now, you
Okay.
go check your phone.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay, but
During
that's-
break, you go
that's-
check your
that's-
phone.
That's say the calculation. You know why they talk this one? So that somebody else no go think. So okay, because if they reply me around 7 in the night, that means I be side chick.
No, but
you
then,
could be
then
meant
this
chick.
one no
Listen.
say difference dey.
God bless
As
you.
he take give me priority, if it dey different from the way
But
another
let
person
me
go
tell
give
you, a
theirself
guy
priority.
could give you 24 hours time.
Queen Bee,
and
why
still
are
be
you against
side
my
chick.
being the only chick?
Not you, we
Can I just say
explain.
something?
No, I'm not saying
Let
you
me
are
just
the
say
person.
something.
We dey explain now. We use
I
you like
understand.
test, not like
You
yeah,
use me to
give
give me
out,
power.
For me, what I just say about this main chick or side chick thing, this is me, my own opinion.
Okay.
My own opinion be say, number 1, make side chick. If you know say you be side chick, say this,
How you take know say
this
you be side
particular.
chick?
You go know now.
Some
Calm down,
girls they
now.
know
Wait,
say
wait.
some girls they know say this girl get boyfriend. Or this
Which,
man.
yes,
and,
okay,
and they
okay,
go
yes.
decide say it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
Let
yes,
me just
okay.
say by
Yeah,
the
okay,
side.
okay.
If you don't decide say you want to be side chick, just stay the particular place where you decide.
Maintain your lane.
Not try to form as the main chick. Just
Okay.
stay where you did.
But it
And
true.
number 2, I know say you want to talk. And number 2, I don't know. For me, Sha, ladies, we need to stand up for each other. You know, say this man get girlfriend. So why are you deceiving yourself?
Because I like
wasting your
him.
time.
He
Why are
has
you wasting your
six-pack.
time?
But what if we have chemistry?
You know, say sometimes.
Yeah, we are more connected. Like we converse
Things where you
a
not
lot.
things where not on a normal day you not feel do. Side chicks are for guys. Side chicks are the most deceiving girls in this entire world because they know say you get a main chick, but they go do everything where they not feel do on a normal day just for them to be main chicks. So if you have a side chick there, not even think of planning to marry her. Just leave her because all those characters they give.
Sure.
Now say for
No
me
talk
now.
so I don't see side chick. I don't see side chick way act well, and now she can't become main chick because the mama of the guy actually waits now. The mama because I go to the wedding. The mama of the girl actually come the guy house without telling him, and she don't want to say make him marry. And the main chick actually leave the house when she cooks soup, leave kitchen everything, say she dey run go work, and side chick actually come in dey clean. She was busy cleaning while the mama come in say and I say, oh mommy, sorry mommy, I did kitchen, make I clean or finish. And the woman see the place, come back, consider everywhere they sparkles.
You go just like the girl.
She turned to a main chick, and I tell you the marriage work because
my sister, see, my sister, everything in this life, and yes, you get the good one, you get the bad one.
Yes,
some people still get another story of you will be side chick where you think say if you go there, go clean everything, say they go put you for the main.
No. At the end of the day, they are not advise any girl, even main chick or side chick, won't go clean anything for any guy. Sorry,
nothing
I don't be your chef.
No,
I don't be your chef. No, we go still talk about
this side chick.
I don't be your chef.
The side chick, some people like the research talk. Some people want.
Some people prefer it because they don't want stress.
Yeah. We talk something about.
He won't be calling you all the time. Like, what about your girlfriend? Call her.
Some people don't want
like,
marry. You talk about somebody else. She don't want marry. So obviously she did okay as side chick.
Yeah.
Elvina. She did okay as side chick. Some people definitely like that fact. Say them be side chick. So some of them, but some people no be saying that by choice. Then be side chick.
They just believe say.
They just believe say.
Okay, but may I ask this question?
Main chick.
Yes.
Okay, but may I ask this question? What if the guy actually be your friend? He spends more time with you when you know say girlfriend, girlfriend. But he spend like the calculation of this one, like almost all the time we're together, we converse, he call you. When something they disturb you, now you they share with and everything. But a girlfriend, are you a side chick?
No, you're not a side chick.
That's his friend.
So we need to do another test for you to know whether you and your friend are in love.
No. You need to understand something. Okay. That's if a guy date a girl, and at the same time, no means say okay,
like another person.
Yeah. If they more connected to that friend past the girlfriend, maybe the girlfriend are just for so many things.
Okay. Good.
And for
but
me,
that connection no dey there. And at the end of the day, when he finally realize, okay, this girlfriend, now the friend he go back to. So you need to actually know if you get boyfriend and he get friend, maybe say they confide in. Sorry, you are the side chick.
Remember when we get Judith for here when she talk about say she figure her ex-boyfriend out and whatever. We can't ask people this question. Say you go allow your partner to see they in contact with their ex. Even and we can't even ask them say you go allow make your partner maybe your husband get female friends and some people say no.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day some kind mutual
before you know chemistry, you know say you go just
kind remembrance of those days.
You know.
Anyway, you were there out there. Tell us what you think about side chick and main chick. Enter Twitter at Ontop Wazobia. Go talk your own for there. But right about now, we're going to need to buy a small break. When we come back, we go to show our old school video. Not go anywhere.
Yes, so welcome back, Jare. Welcome back. Now to talk with you on Ontop Wazobia television. We don't throw some kind left and right arguments for you. We don't talk about the man we deciding our 40 children.
One born nation.
One born nation.
Community.
We still can talk about side chick, main chick, way in fact could be a better than I never understand. Right about now, one son chiller. Our old school video. Maybe we just watch them. Just see what we get today for our old school video. Maybe we'll continue our own argument for you.
Who you and who they argue?
I will argue with you now. I never talk my own mind that time.
You in the name of Jesus.
Did she do that in yesterday? Did they go on? Did they do that? What have I done? Who have I offended? The black egg effect. Speak to it. Speak everything that happened to the egg and put it back there and cover the calabash. Say everything. Say it to the egg. Everything and put it back in the calabash and cover it back. The God and be patient. Be patient. She will be all right. Just wait for me here. That sways the leaves of the forest. It is equivalent the mighty rushing wind that troubled the top coconut tree. Olumoro, the demon of knowledge, show me the hidden things.
The man who drinks fun beer with the demons of the forest. We knew the child would be brought to your place. Ha 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 ha.
Rumeta, you the three merciless witches. So your hand is in this matter again. For the sake of the gods, won't you give people peace for a while?
We are the three horrible witches that trouble the world. We know no mercy. We hold the people in our bondage. We trouble their river and give them dirty water. We trouble their soil and give them no harvest. We trouble the air they're breathing and give them sicknesses and disease. Yes, we are Arometa, the three horrible witches.
I care less about the havoc and perplexity you cause the people of Muoleru. Neither do I worry about the way you determine their affairs. Whatever you like, you may do to them. If you like, you may turn the whole world upside down. But there is just one thing I ask of you. It is the hunter dog that has the full backing of its master that killed the monkey. Do not withdraw yourself. Back me up.
Kitamuru, Adebora Musi Yogo. We the three witches are not with you.
What wrong have I done?
We send a message to you. Through our Bobo, you refuse to send reply. With that attitude of yours, you have offended us.
I remember. But you ought to trust me.
Aya Matanga.
Auntie, we are in daytime.
No, she really be like a Yamatanga. She be like a Yamatanga.
Did you come make you remember Yamatanga because you watch her?
Yes.
So wait till we can't get for that part of that is part of the clip. Now Yamatanga with this.
Yeah, Yamatanga with this one.
No,
but
to
you
me,
don't say.
So maybe say what I want to talk. I talk before. When you did panic, those days I think so many problems where our parents go through, all the people of those days, because they don't get another option. So during that moment when you go Ifa place, if I go say, okay, tell this like that part of life, you go tell because of fear. If you say, mistakenly say, oh, tell Taye, give me Kainde because now Kainde you like pass. So But thank God now, say we don't get awareness, we don't know what you go do. So keep Thursday holy, use your brain.
Even when you
talk
they do.
Try to.
You don't sabi. Some people say they don't to tomorrow.
So
Yeah, some people say
I
they don't.
know, that's how
out
we
of
say.
desperation, out of
Ignorance.
ignorance, out of the zeal of getting money.
And if you even watch them, it be like say waiting happen. Now something we don't happen for past.
Okay.
We can come back. She come now the pikin obviously like maybe 3 years ago something happened and one person I cause them they can't bounce and come back ahead. Now the pikin
Well,
got
now
the
not to say our old school movies those days they try.
They get storyline.
Then and again.
Then get storyline.
Yes.
Storyline. But the production, unfortunately,
Yeah, it might not be clear.
Yes, the production,
If you listen to all those stuff, to me, when I think say it would be okay if they review most of those ones, like this one now, but they review them, remodernize them, do them in a very, just to repackage us and put them for cinema so that people go actually come watch them.
Another thing are the acting skills of the people.
I'm not talking about that.
All right, Amaka, Coco of the day, I beg.
Yes, Coco of the day. We don't watch our old school video. Now we go sunshine a Coco of the day.
Amaka,
yes.
No go left. Try remember for me if you
this
can't
one
go right.
they left. They left. May I go left?
You dance.
Just give us the
May I go
answer.
left?
Just give us the question, please.
Okay. May I go in between?
Give us the question.
May I go in between? As a woman or as a man, when you marry, if you marry person, make the person change your religion, as in, how go do I now? Okay, may I just go straight to
If you change your religion,
may I just change
them.
them? May I put down? If you change your religion on top of marriage.
Top of marriage.
Yes.
Because of marriage.
Because of marriage.
Spirit pass because of love.
I don't want to use love, use marriage.
Okay, now because of love. No more will leave love. More will leave them for love. Love not good thing because
love
love
not
they
still
go
go
to marriage.
marriage.
Nah, that's
Don't
the
get
same
it
thing.
twisted.
Love,
Love is
exactly.
a beautiful thing.
You know what? I don't know now.
I don't
I
confuse
think
you.
something nowadays very very strange, but I don't see anything. I don't see anything wrong with any other religion, as long as they actually worship God. I don't see anything wrong. Right on time, my parents know say we can bring in a Muslim or we can bring in any other person today, but now say, oh yes, I can marry a Muslim. I can. I can. I talk I'm not for national TV. I can marry a Muslim. I don't see anything wrong in them.
All right.
As long as I'm not subjected to change my religion, but I can marry a Muslim.
The question,
Like me, for me, I be descendants of Muslim. My son name now Aliyu.
Yeah.
You understand? And my place, we get more of Muslims. Inside my family, I still get people who be Muslims. But I know go fit change. When I say change, because of you.
Yeah.
But when I dey inside the relationship with you, you fit do your religion, I do my religion.
Own. Yes.
Make it no come in between the love we get for each other. Because my siblings then, some don't marry Christians, some still, the Christians have marry Muslims. The woman still be Hajjah, they go make her like every year.
True.
And him himself, they go in church, they do every of him thing. Now decision, now where when I come meet to ourselves, now meet to ourselves with that. But for me, I just will say, because of love, nothing like change.
I not fit change my religion because of love. But I can marry a Muslim, but I cannot change my religion because
I
of
go
love.
marry Hindu. Go do your thing,
Yeah,
come
I not
back.
change my religion.
that's better than clear truth.
It's something they hook me. I know clear me.
The talk, hooker.
The top.
For me, I know fit change my religion because of anything. I fit change my religion because me want change am.
change
But I
am.
no go
Good.
change am because of love. I no go change am because I want marry. No, because my own personal belief is say sometime in the future I go want make the man follow me go church. What if he no want follow me go church? Or he want me I follow and go mosque or go shrine? What if I no want go shrine? I no want go mosque? You can't create one kind this thing for inside the marriage. No, I make our two. Even if possible, I go like make we they go the same church. If not Catholic, maybe they go the same parish. No, be say one be Pentecostal, one be Catholic. I like maybe they the same lane. So we go actually know so that if any bege happen, I know say okay, I know where I want to run to. I know so na the same church we they go, na the same one God. No be if I say okay, maybe pray with candle. He go say no, na calabash you want pray with. No, I know fit.
Well, but still inside
Now, what make me
relationship,
I
you
think
say
you
get
fit
freedom.
change you're as
Still,
in change.
I need to still get freedom.
No, she don't answer. She answers say
No,
no.
no,
I just think because of what she talk.
No, she said no,
She
but
don't
she
answer. She don't
explained.
explain
Yeah,
further.
yeah,
She
but I
answer.
just feel wetin Betiana talk super good. Yes, now so it's supposed to be. Because change they come anytime. You go expect say they rosy and tomorrow you know they like that. But still on still we need freedom out of our still love and all. You still need to let the person be who you want still be inside or outside the relationship.
Religion,
I just feel
religion a big problem for the world in general.
I know. The whole world,
And we
not
cannot
we.
change it.
And we
We
can't
can't
change
change
it.
it.
But we'll make our choices and decisions.
Yes. Anyway, we get where Ochore, make we just see some of the pictures, like 1 or 2, and then bye-bye to us. One picture where Ochore. Let us wear it or make it
Chinese shoe.
I shall wear, so wear self.
Like
Like I even get one.
now wood
shoe.
with this.
Queen Bee, you go wear
Now
am.
wood.
You go wear am, Queen Bee.
I go wear am. I get one like that for school. They call the shoe basket.
It resemble wood for me. I no go wear them.
Now wood.
No,
Amaka,
it's
you go
not
wear
wood.
am.
You know,
I say no go
It's
wear
made
am.
up of wood.
No, we
go
just
wear
use
am,
and
Amaka.
decorate
I say no go
house.
wear them.
Queen Bee and Betiana.
No.
No.
All right,
wear
me, I
am.
don't go feel
I want to
am.
walk
Second
out.
picture, please. Second picture.
The shoe not too bad, but no for wear 'em.
Make una put down.
What? Never.
Wait. I go buy this shoe, but ask me for who?
For who?
Mayowa, Sasa.
Use am do
Keep
salsa.
no, go. Let's go. Keep
This one
on.
is salsa. This one is tap down.
No.
This one is tap
No,
down.
it's good for salsa. See,
You go
the heels
the
now,
heels,
no
your
high.
heels.
Oh, so pretty.
This
I
one,
feel wear
yes,
am
this one
without
are
the
Indian
red.
people.
Without that red thing.
All right, thank you for this, your show. We'll now go wear the shoes or not.
With or without the red, I don't feel wear 'em.
No, without the red, I feel
I
wear
know
'em.
we just read some tweets. Time don't reach for us to leave now.
Okay, yeah, we got plenty of tweets. Tweets on the enter. At Mustikoko talk, at Ontop Wazobia, my popsin are Muslim, my momsin are Christian. I fit marry Christian for love. True, I be Muslim.
All right.
At me queen _ Saki, she say, at Princess Uwe, my brother there available whenever you're ready.
Oh,
Need to know say she be Muslim because her name na Sakina to Shehu.
I grew up for Muslim environment. So.
Yeah.
I just they tell you.
Yes, that.
At G United 016 and say talk Wazobia, it's not what you think, ladies. A guy can have a female friend where we say they are just mere friends, or because say a guy don't marry. Now I mean say in making no keep in touch with female friends any longer.
All right. Keep in touch, but don't stay
No
too
make
long
a
with
side
them.
chick.
Okay.
At Rafael Rez say no. Now the woman supposed change because that one go show say she respects me.
Really?
Now, Duma supposed change their religion.
Okay, well
right.
done.
At Mr_awesome_6894
Bam.
say I
That
can't
name, eh?
change my religion for love. Thank you, baby.
Simple.
Full stop.
Yes. At Sweet Mercy J say I no go fit change my religion because of love. Uwe, your hairstyle set. Happy Holy Thursday.
Happy Holy Thursday to you, sister.
Namaste.
Namaste now.
Namaste. At G United 016 they say it's Betiana, why are you so selfish?
Oh,
No, she is selling fish.
The only
She like to say
She
pala.
is selling fish.
Don't let me read.
Let me quickly read that time.
The only chick care. Just choose one because chicks plenty.
All right, now that much we should take actually.
Yes,
my
now
name
that
is
much we
Chimenu
should
Higamusaya. I'm going to meet you tomorrow. Good Friday.
Yes,
Happy
sir.
Easter too. Happy Easter.
Hey.
All of una.
Obrigado.
Cristiano.
Sia bonka. My name na Betiana.